Hi everyone. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, and I just thought I'd take a few minutes and step outside to tell you about a new project that we have on the go here at the museum. We're getting ready to open up for the spring, the 1st of May, but a project has come along that we have to get done before that time. It seems that we were given a whole railway station. Now, before you think of it in large terms, this railway station was one of the flag stop stations that was used along the railway line here on the south shore of Nova Scotia. Starting next week, we're going to be taking it apart and bringing it back to the museum piece by piece. It's going to be quite a project. I'll show you a picture of it here, and we'll keep you updated as we move along. Thanks everyone, and have a good day.